A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the boss with another video. Please put a like and leave a comment and I could get straight into this. Alright guys, here I go now. Tonight, I'm going to share a story with you. The story is about my life. It's about something that happened 2016. I'm going to go on a tree story for the week. Somebody said, Damien, oh yeah, put out so much story about people. Oh, I hear about you. You not go through no trauma like we. Yeah, you're just perfect, so. You know, me say everybody have a story. And I have a lot. I can give you a story from now till the morning. If you want to hear more stories about me, put it in a comment. Me not share me in my game. I want to know me raw and brawling. Me I tell you as it is. And me I tell you my story. See? I want to like this video for me and leave a comment. I don't know if I want to interested for hear things where happened to me in the past. See? But I go share my story, don't know. But in the end, victory was mine. And it's if you believe in yourself and you say when God is with you, nobody can come against you. Remember me telling you that. Oh, God bless, no man curse. And whatever them are try, it can't work. I mean, I said this will bring her down. I'm not going to call the individual name, but if she watch the story, she'll go hear herself. But I like she to hear and call me and say, hey man, let me share my side. Because everything when I go talk is the truth. And this what happened to me, trust me, it break me down, it belittle me, it make me feel like I was nobody. But I'm going to tell you how the story start. Me used to operate a sound system, guys. Hey, remember if you like the video for me, my story this. Me used to operate a sound system. See? That was in 2016. Yeah. No, 26. I have the sound system for about 4 to 6 years. Yeah, it was a mobile car system. Like when I go boom, when I say boom and rumbar promote when I use the little bus, we play the music. So I did have one of the mobile vehicle when we play a run, robin, dance, etc. Anyway, so I get a date, I come string up a sound. So after I string up a sound, I say, who for the date? Who's the person? Somebody called me and said them have a date for me. Long story short, I play for the person. Then I see one lady come out of one taxi. When she come out of the taxi, she walk with one little stick, like crook stick, like when your foot break or sprain something. But she walk with the stick. But she look good. Me nah look on the whatever she have on her, the cast on her foot. But she look so good. She was a bit older than me, about 3 years, I should think. Yeah, so after that now she came in and she sit down and have a drink and me see some other girls come with her. Trust me guys, all of the girls don't look good, but me eye upon she. You know, as selector you go play and you see girls you think say you want the one there. So anyway, while I was there, me say me I go say something to her. So me take the mic and say, big up a nice, lovely lady over there. So even though you have on your cast on your foot, you look good. Yeah man, you stand out. And I say, what you drinking? And she tell me, I buy it, I go to the bar and tell him to give her what she want. Anyway, sorry guys. She have her drink and then now, when the night before the dance over, it's like the person who I keep a dance invite her. So I went over to her and said, you know, I like you, I would want a number. And she said, I hear sound this. And I say, yeah. She said, okay, may I take a number because more time I keep running up. So I say, yes, perfect. Anyway, when she give me the number now, I came home and next day now, I call her. I said, what happened? She said, who is this? I said, oh, the guy where you did meet at the party. She said, oh, what go on? So me and her talk. I said, yeah, we live. She said she live alone with her kids them. See? She live alone with her kids them. And I said, all right, live alone with her kids. But me I look beyond that because the woman look good and the woman live in a one nice community. It's a gated community. Yeah. So me I say, wow, she live in a, so me say, me and her talk and me I tell her, so me live in a one room with a little bathroom. That's how me start off, guys. A one room and a bathroom. Right? When you see me I talk to one upon the show, it was a one room and a bathroom. So I tell her when I have and she said that's her house. Then time them don't know nothing about house or how people own house or what them do. So I asked her what she do for a living. She was You know the person who sell cash pot? She sell cash pot and she sell like, and she do look a race horse one weekend for the boss. Then now me I say to myself, say, she must have get a nice money for always I go this, I go do that. Anyway, me I say maybe she have her money because she live in a big house. Then time that me I move like, oh, you know see some of them man I call I look for no man. If you take care of them and then something like. Then time that me I more a woman with money. Me not gonna lie. Me don't want a broke woman. Me don't want a woman with money we have them things. So if me beg something I can't get. Cause me did me used to not then time that me never have it. So no girl never want a broke boy. So said thing where a broke girl I look for. Me as a broke boy I look for it with the woman version. Anyway, I call her the following evening. I say, where you live? And she tell me, I say, me can't see her. And she say, yeah, me can't come over because she can't come on road because her foot and she have to the clean with the car and something. So I drove around there and then I went in. She welcomed me and said, come right in. When I went to the yard, she said, step. I pass the two little pitney them there right at the veranda play. And one or three kids, so the bigger son in the panning game. So when I reach, she said, me up on the phone with her and she said, me for walk past them and come in. So I pass them and I go right in her bedroom. When I reach in her bedroom, I see her with her foot cock up like she have it response on pillar and she lay down. Then me sit down in her chair, me and her start talk. But in her house did the house top low and a slab top, concrete top. You know all who don't know what slab top mean. So anyway, me and her did and we talk and something and I say, nice size house this man. And I say, how long do you have this? She say, couple years. She said she and her sister buy it. Her sister live a foreign and something. So I say, okay. So I take what she say. Anyway, now guys, if when you reach this far, like if you so reach the juicy part and the pain and sorrow and the sad part, then now, when I fast forward the story, because I don't want to dry it out and say my story boring, I start visit her regular now. So one day I get one date, that was a Sunday, and the following weekend was a Friday. I played at a fish fry. It was a fish fry and after party. So the party, police gonna lock off the party about 11:30. So I pack up the sound and I say to her, I call her, I say, you know, so I come in for a party and I feel like mother want to come stay with you tonight. I don't know how you stay. She said, all right, I can come, but she want to make sure so the kids them asleep. Because she don't want to know. Then see me. So me in my head, I should have say, that maybe that was a red flag, but you know, you not pre them thing. Like, I mean, I have them experience when I have on the channel now. Then time them me about 30, how much? About 34. I got 35. One or two. Anyway, so wow. So I reach our house now and park up a car and going down. You don't know. Going down, do my thing and wait. So she said to me, say, Damon, boy, you know easy. Even though me have a 1 foot, you still want pum pum for me. Anyway, I said, just relax your foot, man. Come on, guys, I want to know laugh, but I tell you this story. So anyway, we do a thing and sleep over and left out early in the morning, and then now the Sunday now I reach back over there. And I said to myself, say, you know, so I like over here, where you look nice. So she said to me, say, the house is here, man, anytime you're ready, you can come and come live or come stay. I say, guys, I'm frightened for you over there. Remember a nice clean scheme, I know. I live in a one little bad road place with my little one room and my little bathroom. You know? As I open my door, so you step right out the door. That was that, you know, that may have. Sometimes you hear all rat in the ceiling, sometimes, and I lie. That's how it was. And, you know, I say to my father, may his soul rest in peace. He was here. I said, Daddy, you know, say, you know, I go see me for a while. So he said, hey, where I go? I say, I live around one yard for the time being, man, but me pass through now and then still. And never forget, at the first time I ever move out from under my father wings. Cause which one I live, guys, is a big land. So we have two house on the premises. See? One of for me, one of for my daddy. Yeah. That before my one get big, like how it big now. I may I tell you guys, I tell you this. I move my little. I move just look close, because I never have nothing. Me never have nothing in the house more than one little bed and one fan, one stove in there. You know, yeah, guys, sometimes when you remember where you come from, you know, say God love you, you know, just wait a turn, people, wait a turn. Don't rush nothing. I go so bumps now, move with the woman now, and me and her live. See, me I go play out, she I do a little work and something. And then now, me start here, she talk about, say, she pay mortgage. Remember my father used to say, don't live with a woman who pay a mortgage unless you name the on the title. On comment below if a foolishness in tell me. Don't pay no mortgage. I met this goes for both man and woman. Not go live with nobody and go pay no mortgage, you know, for them name. Because you see when everything come to push come to shove, she can get rid of you at any time. And all of the mortgage you don't pay already. You understand? It go vice versa with woman and man. If you are going to do it, make sure you name them on something so it can benefit you if you're there with the person for a period of time and you decide to leave. Yes, take it as me tell you. That's a thing there. That's what my old man tell me. So anyway, me it's just about mortgage. So yeah, me not made. Me not pay no mortgage on before that. I go back to my yard. Me pay bills or whatever, light bill or something. But based on how the woman act like she a big shot. So me I say, oh, big shot. She, all right. Oh, she would have make it look like when me just meet her like she have her purse. Then pretty me no know so somebody way broke like me rotted. So me move in now and live there and me notice say like when time for buy food, she always has said to me say I could go shoppers fair. Me a boy used to shop and wholesale. So me go a corner shop go buy 1 pound of chicken back, curry it up, or 1 pound of, you know, the chicken then where them buy a shop. When me see a woman here, when we go to the supermarket, me see a woman take up basmati rice, best just chicken, big bag of shrimp, and some little oil, coconut oil, and some woolly pass. Some little dear foreign things. When she, sometimes woman take up all 8, 9, 10 something guys and a 20,000. So I said to her, say, you can get a lot more things with the money there if you got wholesale. Give me the money there and so much things I buy come put in the house. She said she don't want them shop rice there and then dirty chicken there with people. Yeah, yuck. She said I'll be a top thing she eat. She eat good food and if you eat good things. Nothing wrong with putting good things in her body, but can you maintain that lifestyle financially? No, she couldn't. So now the baby father used to send money, come give her, Zane, in a Jamaica for 2 kids. But listen to this now, guys. When the baby father find out how a man live at the yard, the man said nah send no more money because she take him money go mine her man. You know the Jamaican baby father them role. Especially when them one back it woman. So I asked her, I want to your baby father make a broke up. She saying get filed for and gone America and him a move on with his life. So she move on with fear. And she have 2 kids for him. That are the last baby father. The other one father was some soldier or something, but that's a different story. So me notice that the man start call and say, you take up ban have with man round me pitney them and where and not send no money. I hope she can mine. You know, that's how we doing. World that against her now. So you know it's a part of our little money tree cut down right there. So anyway, me live a yard. Meanwhile, all of this I go and me I fall in love with the man. Woman have one of the tightest pum pum me ever get from a barn. Me never know say somebody with cheap it could have one pum pum so tight. Me talk about this on my live show, so no for one might laugh and remember it. Are the best and the tightest me ever get from them time there in them age group there. From you know? Yeah. Me can't compare it with now, I mean, I'm 40s or after. But me I tell you now the age range was in the 34, 35. At the time, yeah man, it 100 and it hooked me. It hooked me at the yard and the woman that used to carry me in the bathroom when I come from work, bathe me. Yeah man, take off my clothes, bathe me and sometimes we go bathe out the door and laugh and the neighbor them a hear and it me I live some life, she cock up my foot, she cut my toenail. You know, me feel good. Me feel so comfortable, guys. Me did feel good, yeah, me know. When me did it, yeah, man, I'm glad me come out of the little dirty yard there. Me live some life now. My father that can say, all right, and I'll come back. And I say, no, man, let's just stay. I mean, I know me I go do this. I might rent you out or something. Yeah, me make you know. And I saw me deal with him. But Well, me didn't know. Me realize say when me go live with the woman, guys, me about $60,000 in my bank book. We find out say money start go down little, cause the type of job when me go play out, if me play out for get 10 grand, me take out all 5 grand gear out of it. So you know, so by the time you buy liquor and something, you don't have no money. Plus, me get 1 and 2 car for work on. So me never financially set, but me still a try make ends meet. See, during that period now, we get so close that it was we tell ourselves that we in love. The woman used to say, oh, she go foreign. She say she trust me around the youth them now. So me I cut out one heap of story, guys. She said she trust me around the youth them now. So what she go do? She want to go foreign go work some money so she can help you off the debts them where she owe. Guys, the water bill was 100,000. Each time them come for cut off the water, then the woman chat to him and them. We come for cut off water and give them a little small change and then say, nobody not did that. So the bill keep on a pile up. When me there my yard run the next one, me get free water. So yeah, me know myself, they not so much money for water. So anyway, me used to help with the light bill. Light bill never so bad. Could have pay it. And internet, I don't remember how the internet got. I think the internet come with yeah, I think internet with the deal with it on a level. But guys, trust me, it's one of the hardest time of my life. I go work before she left go foreign. I back up. It's when I go work, if I work $4,000, $5,000 for a day, the woman take your money and say for coming in her car. I jump in her car and she go on a shopper's fee and she does spend it one time. One time and she buy flower, blue bag flower named J Mills, and she buy some little things. She buy some whole heap of beard or something. So one night time I said to her, I say, you know, so you can use the $4,000 and buy dinner and buy breakfast. Cause when I spend the $4,000, then time my pressure start take me now. When I spend the $4,000, see, for one meal, where you pick them I eat a morning? She said, no worry about that when a morning come. Sometime in the morning, me realize that things I get so tight. Me have to just wake up and tell a lie, say, me have a job to go do. See? And that me end up have to do some of the time. Because I say, if me turn her yard, she go tell me so nothing did for me. And I mean, she look pan and me have to go spend my money where, you know, me have to go spend my money. So, me start pick up what I go and I say, dear man, no man, bills pressure in. Me say when me do in my yard, I just want little internet me pay for. And I think at the time, yeah, me used to help my dad with the light. Because he used to give me light, so I used to share the light and pay him. I say, yo, what this me coming now? Me not have a fear. Me is a boy, can use $6,000 go and wholesale buy couple tin mackerel and some little things and you know, and me can live happy. And me a boy I love save, guys. When me used to save me look 7 grand and me 10 grand and go bank up my money. If I live with the woman, my bank book reach a $5,000. See? Every day me get, the next day me go, if me play today, tomorrow me have to buy food with the money. It was downhill, but what? It pump have me there. When you come on to bedroom activity, yeah, that lot me guys. That's why I want the man then wise up. It's not all about pump and how woman shape and how she look. The woman look good, brother. Me used to hear a woman on the phone and talk to her ex. And them talk. I mean, so your ex keep on talking. She said them a good friend. See? And she used to brag on house big and when him a give her money. It's when a woman want to get rid of you, or she throw it on you, she start talk about how much money her ex them used to give, guys. Me telling us our school and there. She starts say, oh, when me there with Tony just put on all $50,000 upon the table and in drive out gone a racehorse track and me just take up the money and call one cab and the cab drop my back at my yard. I say, okay. I say, me not have them the money there. I saw them want to have money. She said, no matter what, me check him 5 nights for a week. Tony, I put on 50-50. If not put on 50, put on 40. If I put on 40 or 30, he take me and he drop me. I say, then time them me even have that in my bank book for 5 grand me have. But anyway, she did kind of love me, I know, but she have her plan. She said, foreign not come up now, so she said she'll go foreign go work. So she going to foreign, she'll go want the kids then to stay with somebody who she can trust. The kids then get to love me and then trust me, then treat me good. Me treat them like I'm my one. Yeah, that before me get my kids them. And And this so now, she take a chance and go foreign. The woman got foreign, guys. Oh my God. I one of the worst experience me ever get. The woman, when the woman fi send money come, the week yeah, fi help pay bills, fi help pay this, fi help towards food. The woman I say, she not get the money yet and she a fear this and she a fear that. But me I go get back to that now, guys, cause me learn a lot with my platform. So remember now a visa she depend. So when she a send the money, she don't want to send the money in her name. She want her sister to send it, but for her sister work too, so she have to wait till her sister have a free time where the sister can send the money. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, sis. Hope you watch this. So now, the money used to come late. So remember now, no? If Saturday come and weekend come, me have to buy food for the house there, no? See? If a bill come and it due, me have to pay for it, no? So you see what now, me start pay for them, then now when the woman send the money from far now, she want to take the money and go pay down pan water or do something differently, which she should have covered them. Because I remember for me look work now cover them, me did done bargain for help pay light bill and internet already and provide local food now and then. But Lord God, guys, it was like that for me. Sometimes all 2 weeks, woman send the money, 3 weeks, and then he send the money and the money I have to do something else in the meantime. So I end up a lose. One night time, guys, me not have no money. No money, me end up start go shop, go trust things. Jesus God, guys, I want to wickedest time of my life. But me not go in what I story, I go continue, but me I go break it down. I go now about 10 more minutes I story. I hope me can finish it. So, while all of that occur now, guys, I start to feel stress, I feel depressed, and the 5th month, she said she'll come the 5th month. And she not come the 5th month. The woman come 3 days before the 6th month up. Remember now, 5 months and about 4 weeks. So, you know, some that are 28 days. Yeah, before she come. You know? So between the time then now, me fed up with the sound thing now. Remember now, guys, me have sound and me love sound. You know, me start sell out the sound thing. She said, hey man, sound thing dangerous if you sell out the sound thing now, Kari. Me say, actually, no. And me did I look for buy one new car. So me sell out my sound system, me use make money and buy one car. Some of them I used one car in a Nissan Tida, I buy a Tida. The Tida value, but at the time of 550,000 I pay for it because I sell out the sound part. So you know sound things expensive, so I build it up. So I sell out all of that. I sell out all of that, guys. And when I sell out all of that. When I sell out all of that. See? When I sell out all of that, me have money. Sorry guys, me carry do the video. Me shut it door, sorry. So after that now, I tell her so me I go buy one car. So she said she want to give me part-time money to buy a car. And you know say when she be sending money, guys, every time she be sending money, I said problem with sending the money. So me say, you know, every disappointment I feel good, I buy my car in my name and buy it by myself. Cause I remember if I buy a car, I feel in it our name. I buy a car and I have it. When I buy a car, I not tell her because I a time peddler if send the money come so I can use it do something I said way because I start use my head panel. Anyway, long story short, I tell her, so, I buy the car now. She say, where you get it? I say, I make up the money man and buy it. One time that one of my friend give me 100,000 from America. Yeah, 100,000 they give me. I never forget him. Big up yourself, my boss. He give me 100 and I make up the money and I did sell the car where I did a drive. So I did have couple money well, plus you do me sell the sound parts. Okay? So that the money that me use and buy a car now. Remember she didn't send the money for the car. In between the time when she there find Pitney are sick, me have to run up and down. Pitney I'll get admitted in a hospital. Pitney this till all the father saying I want me running Pitney and me I making Pitney. Guys, I was so drained. I was so stressed. The woman left it cheap Pitney them for me. And me never have none for myself. And me and mind Pitney. Pitney have no man as a big son. When you cook and left the food on the stove and you say, yeah, you go all a beard and can share out the food for when the Pitney then come from school. Me rotted. Him, if you cook your food and left you and gone for your Pitney then by the time you come, he take out the chicken leg, the breast and everything. Then take out the best part them and go lock up in a room for all the whole day. When you pull thing around in the molly, I never forget. And me tell the mother say, talk to him now, me can't deal with him. And And she said, I saw in stay and all them something. The poor me never know, so them or something me I go through. Me ride it out for the 6 months and me pick her up at airport. And when me pick her up at airport, the mood wasn't like happy to see you. It was like, me can't wait to get rid of the dirty boy. Yeah. One night time, oh, me left out this. One night time, our daughter sick. And the father live America and the father said, no, said, no money. Come mine a pitney, give no my boy if he pay for him pitney, buy him pitney medication. See? And it was an emergency. And the mother looked at me and said, Damien, the money where you did have for buy a car, for make up buy a car, take some money out of it and buy the medication for my daughter. So she can't get for And I said to her, I said, listen to me. You leave the pitney them here with me. I just saw this is when I part when I start stand up. Because I realize I go. I said the father knows that the pitney sick and can't send money, can't get the auntie or the grandfather, and you tell me, say true, me tell us I have car money, me if you go in money. See? And come spend it for your pitney. So I say, all right, me not feel good for do it, but me I go do it. Me I tell you the truth, because me can't have a pitney as a man and I watch both say true man they are yard with woman and say me not mind the pitney. And now you make it look bad now, say, me live there with them, so I'm if you pay feet. See? And I said this not beneficial to me and this unfair, because I know say the pitney sick and him have it. In live America, me a struggle. But you know so me have a little money put on for buy a car, yeah, stress me too. I tell her straight and then she call back and say, oh, don't do it. My sister go do it. Alright, that's how you go. Nobody now go hard for your pitney like how you that do it. At that she said, me say, what you mean? She said, yeah, that is the truth. Nobody now go all out for your kids like how you would go all out for your pitney as a parent. So I said, no, you know if you say that. There's a ways and means to do things. See? Put yourself in a position. How you are doing anything, the bag of cussing and not baby father say about a boy if you take up workless boy we can buy medication and you be little me and make me look like nobody and she hung up her phone. Then I made me I say, I wonder if she got a foreign and she and them man a link up. That's how me I say, but then used to act like them no deal. Me no know but me just I say that. So anyway guys, I reach the last part of the story. Maybe I have to go on to part 2 because 27 minutes. Long story short, the woman come. And when the woman come, the woman start show up her color. She start call back the ex who used to send $50,000 in front of me, you know. And sometimes I would that she say, you don't have no permission. I'm used to point up me in her face and say, yo, why you respect me, you know, because you put me in a whole heap of debt and stress, you know. And she about, if me can't take it eat, me if leave her house. And me I say to her, I say, oh, so when I go on a foreign, me take care of Pitney and do everything. And you come back. See, and you're there on phone with ex. And through me there, they disrespect me. I say, guys, at first, me ever feel so small. The woman there on the phone attack. The man all say, oh, that. On the phone. And she take you off a speaker. I say, guys, I feel so shame. I feel so shame. And some whole heap of little things. The atmosphere was so... The sex when me used to love in a nice again. Me I tell you, it was like... But guess what, guys? I caught up in a one mind now. I want left. And I don't want left. I tell myself, say, if I left, the ex I go get back a tight pum pum. See? And if I stay, I go get the pum pum. But watch out now. If I stay, I go end up a lose more. Because the woman come from foreign and say into a partner. And the woman went through a partner with, tell her, say, somebody run away with the money. And she can't get fear job at the time when she go work. Because the woman knows that she work under the table. You understand? So a woman will run a partner style her. According to what she said, allegedly. I don't know if I saw her go, but she said she never get no money. Remember a woman over there save up her money, guys? Woman come say she throw a partner and she don't get no money. So I don't know. You understand? So one piece of calamity. So you know, so she come with no money, so more stress upon me. So when she says I can't manage the bills and something, she start run back to her ex and she start be like me, boy me up in her house. All her sister, she saw one night me and her on the bed and she said her sister said she make a bad mistake. Or she fit take up somebody like me when I have nothing. And she have her baby father over there who used to spoil her and give her money. You understand? He used to spoil her and give her money, but illegal money he used to give her. You know, and nothing straight. I'm not going to get into that. You understand? So he could have get money as in like, me never have it. Me was a trying youth. But me just caught up in one situation through pum pum, pretty house and love. And everything later go. And you see what happened after that, guys? The relationship get downhill and me and her start war every minute and cuss and, you know, sometimes the argument get verbal, you know. Sometimes me have to, me not gonna lie. And this time me I go confess this. She used to provoke me so till guys. Most of the time, me have to jape her up. And she jape me up back to her. You know that type of woman, if you jape her, she jape me. And she said if me ever put me on pan her, she call police to come take me out. Or them something there. And me I say, Jesus God, me say, look on the woman where me they alright for and done up my money and everything and look here. And the woman say love me and this and that and I say, guys, and me say to myself, say if me left, me I go lose all of the money when me spend and what but poor me no know say me if left. If me not left, me I go spend more. So people, if you in a relationship are bad and it a cost, you know, I say if you left, you go lose house or car. Left, walk away from the car. Yes, when the blessing a come, it a go come bigger. One night, me did it. And me say, you know what? Me live there with her, I said, we go through we look ups and downs and whatever. And go on with yourself and something. But me still a weather it out, because me say, Ray, she still a say, she want to work, but she don't know it a go work. We can't, two we can't live. It, you know, two broke people can't live. She used to walk and say that. So that used to stick in her head. Me still a go out, go hustle and try make ends meet, but it ain't a cut it. Anyway, you know what, guys? I talk to my father, I tell my father what I go, and he said, if I left and come on my yard. He said, what you do around there, so? And you stress out yourself. Hey, man, when I come out, and he say, me get maga, and me no look like Damien, and me say, I say, you go, man, me say, who come back, man? Because me say, me not come back and live in this part with them bush and something at the time. And me did it. When me did it, guys, me and I cuss every minute. Every time I left, me come back. So, you know, me start to know, me realize a relationship I reach one sober point. You can't feel it. You say, yeah, man, they see the money where you start make, start buy up a little something and put in your yard. So, when you left, you can't come out. Me buy one TV, me buy one mattress, me change the mattress, buy one new fan, me buy one little stove. Me just set up a place that when me come back, paint out in there and something. You know, get on back the internet, because internet they cut off. And yeah, I say at least me have one bed and me can rest. Me nah no stress. Guys, so me used to come around the yard, yeah. Yard me then come relax and feel stress free. Turn on my fan. You know? And sometimes she call me and say, where me there? If me not come home. I say, oh, me there over the next yard. And she say, you have woman? And I say, no, man. And then she say, if you don't have no woman, if you not come over tonight, me know you have woman. So nobody come back. When she said that, no, me run, jump in her car and go over there because I don't want to lose her. So anyway, when I go over there now one night, I forgot to turn on one security feature where if you shut down your car. I wake up in the morning and I say, J-man, D-man, jeez, you can't do that. Suppose the thief did, because in the scheme, guys, they used to have only a car theft. I say, suppose car thief come and thief my car, because my car they look good, the guys. So you know, say, the next night, me and I go to my bed, in 2 o'clock. At first we got to bed, so we did a chat about God and we pray. I said to her, I said, make we pray before we go to bed, and she pray, and I pray, and say, I hope everything work out for us. And when we go pray, guys, in the morning, about 6:30, me and somebody a ball out my name. Damien. I say, how that? It's what time I go so and pull the door and look where the car park. I want empty space, me say. Want empty space. The man then push the car out the door, bust off the lock off our gate, and I try to leave the car. But guys, but they turn on the security feature that night. So then couldn't move the car. I say, mighty God. I say when I see it, guys, I want to come out of my eye when I see the car. Because any other than the thief they carry there, it would have set me back in our life. Because the car that I use to do all of my little electrical work and do everything to move point A, point B. And I struggle to buy the car. And in no time I could have lose it. Just because the woman called me from around my yard and say, if me not come or whatever woman did, every woman did have me under control, guys. I just love this woman so. I don't know why. As I'm telling you, say maybe I the pum pum or whatever. And yesterday I call my friend, and my friend say, yo, may I help you start a car and do some little things? And he say, yo, you're lucky, you know. He say, you're lucky. How them to move this? I wish you put here and show him. And he say, yo, a good spot that. Mr. Guys, I want the luckiest thing ever reach me. And I fix up a car and I drive come on my yard. Because I'm afraid for the whole day. I don't want to go around there because I don't know if the boy them will come back and try thief it or hold me up. And I tell my father and him and his wife, me and soul rest in peace, then pray. And then 90 car, then 99 car and pray and say, you know, day me and my wife get up in the 3 o'clock and the spirit of God tell us if we pray for you. And that's how we pray for you last night. And I say, serious? And he say, yeah man, me pray for you. And then me tell him start going and he start getting a spirit. Him and your wife. And I say, me not tell you last night, man. Me see danger ahead of you. I will buy up it. That's how he tell me. You know, for them spiritual thing, Holy Spirit or whatever, Holy Ghost. Me don't know. So, and he said me for left around there. He saw a sign. Guys, you see from that night, I never put my foot back around there, so. I think me used to go around there in a day, go look for her, said we, and come back on my yard. Me say, me, and me look back now. See, at the time when me used to suffer, the following year was 2018. And I tell myself, say, listen, I'm done with something and I'm going to start my own business. All who did say, the man can't do your own business, I'm going to take a chance and do it. And a girl did I rent one shop. I'm going to go on part 2 of the story. This is a part 1 tonight. When you remind me if you're interested, based on the views, I'm going to go on part 2. I'm telling you how God work. I can't go no much more because this is a 30 minute. I don't want the video too long. But I did move. And then the relationship finally deteriorate. But it did, guys, it hurt. When I say it hurt, I never want left, but I did have to left. You hear song say? When God say if you move, you have to move. And that was my sign for me if you move and left the woman there. And I go in the part 2 as I say. I did still, I left, I have my car, and I did buy up my things them. But you see, whatever you lose in a life, don't watch it. You can't lose $1 million, $2 million, how much thousand. It's when you're going to make it back, when God is going to bless you back, you're going to make it in a bong. Hey, you're going to make a lot. If your blessing will come, you're going to say, Jesus, I want me to deserve this. And I start my business. After I start my business, I go on to the part 2 of the story there. See? So I tune in tomorrow. This is my story, aka Mix Up Boss. Love you guys. Everything you know how to put God first. So I might hear me run joke on my show and talk certain way, but I'm a believer of the Father God. And trust me, God is real. Alright? Big up on yourself. Me I come live. I gone.